Hi, I'm going to try today something a bit different. I want to show you how you present a prop to a child in a way that creates a lot of curiosity, eagerness to try and learn. So whether you're a parent or a teacher or an educator or a storyteller, I want to show you one of the ways that I use to present something to a child in a way that will create a lot of curiosity. So if we haven't met yet, I'm Revital, I'm a children's storyteller, and I also help parents that love books make their children fall in love with books by having great and fun reading time. So it's very important the way you give something to a child, because how you will give it, this is how they will treat it. So I want to show you an example of one way that I present some kind of props, and you will see why I chose this prop and what I do with it. Are you ready? Okay. Ta-da! So as you see, I show children this and then I say, what is this? Now I'm asking you, do you know what this is? Because I don't know what this is. And I never knew what it is. But what I see is that it's interesting, right? So children are very used to asking us if they don't know something. So most of the time, from my experience, they tell me, no, they don't know what to do with it. So then what I do is say, I don't know either. Can you try and check what you do with it? And then I just offer to a girl or a boy to come and try it. And then they start trying it, sometimes very shy, and then they start checking all the options, and then they discover the options. And why is it so important for me? Because I don't want to tell them myself what to do with it. I want them to discover it, because it's much nicer, it's much more involving, and that's how I believe we learn very good, right? From our experiences. So they reach to the conclusion that maybe it's a hat. So if it's, sometimes they tell me, it's a hat. Now I'll tell you what I do if it's a hat, but one of the things that, oh, it's a hat. But it's a bit of a problematic hat, right? I mean, hey, I can't see you. Where? Oh, hello. See? So whatever they tell me, I follow along and I try. So if it's a hat, I'll show you later what we do with it, but then they see that they can stand on top of it. They can sit on it. They can swing it. They can put things inside it. They can stand on it when it's like this and they have to, you know, stay and not fall. They can jump on it from this. There are a lot of possibilities. Sometimes if they sit like this and they have their beautiful small bodies inside, I try it myself, and then it's very, very funny for them to see how I'm falling and I'm too big to sit on it. They can hide underneath. So when you give children the opportunities to try, they just try things, and it's wonderful. Now, things that I will do with such a prop, which is such an incredible, full of imagination prop, is that sometimes I will put inside things and offer it, and the children can choose another prop from this. And then I can say, well, let's do as if it's a hat, and then we can sing. My hat, we have it in Hebrew, but I know you have it in English. My hat, it has 3 corners. Okay, we can sing this. Or the wheel turns round and round and round and round and round and round and stop. And in this way, I actually, instead of teaching them and telling them this is a props, here's what you can do with it, and show them I didn't do that. I let them discover it, and that's the most important thing. The same way you can do with other props. Just think how you can first of all give them the opportunity to find out what it is. What do you do with it? I do it a lot of times. It's as if I'm stimulating their imagination and their ideas. And when you give this opportunity to children, you will see so many great ideas. So this was one example on how I use props to introduce to children in storytelling activities. Now, tomorrow I'm giving an intense, amazing training on storytelling activities for children. So if you want to know much more like my structure to storytelling to children, to preschoolers, that that I keep them engaged for 35, 45 minutes, the whole structure of a storytelling activity. So check out the link of my training tomorrow, and you can register still till today. You still have time to register. If you have any questions, you can ask me, and write me what you think this can be. Isn't it an amazing prop? I like it. So, hope you liked it. Bye. Thanks for watching. Hi, Natasa.